But yeah, by this business, once we're up there, we have to do what we had to do. And when we're up there, we gotta go out there and give it our best.
Do you think because he's a friend, it'd make it a harder of a fight, not because of how you're preparing, but emotionally?
Yeah, no, emotionally, yeah, but the preparing thing, we're still preparing 100%. We're training really hard. This is one of the best camps we had, and I think we're gonna go out there and give it our all.
Leo, what things are you trying to improve on each fight, each training camp you have for each fight? What things in particular do you want to get better at as a fighter?
Everything. There are a lot of things we have to improve. We get more experience, fight different with people that move a lot. We every time in the gym, there's everything. There's a little things we have to learn. My dad says you never stop learning. From every fight, from every camp, you have to learn a little bit from everything. And I think I learned a little every time.
How good do you think you can become, your potential?
I think I could become, with the training and with everything, I think we could get into that level. I think we're not at that level yet to be like Julio Chavez, Oscar Loya, and all those players, but with practice and with patience, I think we're going to get at that level.
Thanks,
Leo, are you interested in the fight with Scott Quigg?
Yeah, of course. If the fans want those fights, I'm willing to fight Scott Quigg, Frampton, Keith Martinez, any. As long as the fans want it and they're happy, I'm happy to.
Who wins that fight for you for Frampton and Keith Martinez?
That's a great fight. I think it's like 50-50, but I think Frampton's going to be taking that.
Would you ever be willing to travel to England to have any of those fights?
Yeah,
Quigg or Frampton and Belfast?
If the promoters and the manager, they think it's a great opportunity, and they think it's we have to go, I'm willing to go. Whatever the promoters say and the manager, I'll do whatever they say.
And just finally, who do you think is the better fighter out of Quigg and Frampton?
I think Frampton, he's more stronger, he comes more forward. Quigg is good shots and everything too, but I think he's less stronger.
Leo, can we expect you at 126 next year?
Maybe not next year. Maybe I'll do 1 or 2 more fights next year at 122, and then maybe move on to 126.
If you had it your way, who will you be fighting right now, the #1 guy at 122?
Guillermo, because he's been calling me now, and he's been saying that I'm scared, and I want to prove I'm not scared. I know it's a great, hard fight for me. We could lose, but we don't care. We want to give the fans.
Just want the best fights.
We want what the fans want. I want to please them, and if they're happy, I'm happy.
Thank you.
Who were some of your favorite fighters growing up?
Julio Chavez, Oscar Loya, they were my 2 best fighters that go to right now.
Leo, since you like to fight, the fans love you because you go toe-to-toe.
Yeah.
Do you think you would have some problems with Rigondeaux's movement?
Yeah, I think we were gonna have problems, but we're gonna work in the gym. That's why the gym's for, and to practice and we're gonna get fighters that move a lot, so that once we get the Rigondeaux, we already know and we have this training.
Leo, is today your birthday?
No, it was last Sunday.
Last Sunday?
Yeah, we
Celebrating
celebrated this.
Because I know Eric's birthday is today too, so we gotta give both of you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Leo, why does it mean so much to you to, give back to the fans and wanting to fight the best?
Because that's what we're here. We're here because of them. The fans are the ones that get us up here, and we have to please them. We have to make them happy, and if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here.